The crypto market is looking bullish, and now we are finally seeing Shiba Inu explode to a yearly high. So if you have any interest in Shiba Inu or you hold any Shib tokens, then you can't afford to miss this video. So what is the latest Shiba Inu coin news? And how will all of this affect the value of Shiba Inu? In today's video, I will be answering these questions, and I'm going to be telling you all of the price-boosting information that has just come out about Shiba Inu. I have put a lot of research into this video, so make sure you watch until the end. But before we get to our topic, let's take a look at the chart and see what the price of Shiba Inu is doing on the 26th of March, shall we? Shiba Inu's price today is around 1,533 units. The price is up 14% in the last 24 hours, with a 24-hour trading volume of $494 million. The token also currently has a market cap of over $9 billion, ranking it as the 16th most valuable cryptocurrency. Please keep in mind, these prices might have changed by the time you watch this video. This content is not financial advice. Now let's get into today's video. Here's why Shiba Inu rallied 10% today. Shiba Inu rallied 10% on March 26th, flipping major players like Sui and Hedera, while rising to become the 19th largest crypto asset per data from CoinGecko. Three catalysts are driving Shiba Inu's gains today. First, the Shiba Inu team has teased Shib Finance, a major DeFi upgrade that will introduce a suite of financial tools, including reputation-based lending and under-collateralized borrowing. The upcoming platform aims to merge TradFi and DeFi with ecosystem features like Karma Engine, Shib attestation, and a privacy-focused identity layer. Second, Shiba Inu got listed on BingX Futures, opening the doors for over 10 million global users to trade the meme coin with leverage. Third, its burn rate has surged recently. On March 23rd, Shiba Inu's daily burn rate increased by nearly 8,100%, reaching over 1 billion Shiba Inu tokens in a single day. According to Shibburn, the network has burned more than 410.74 trillion tokens since its inception, leaving the circulating supply at around 589 trillion. On-chain metrics for Shiba Inu are also showing signs of growing bullish sentiment. The daily active addresses on the network have jumped over 20% since March 18th per sentiment data. Meanwhile, social sentiment around the token has also flipped positive, especially after US President Donald Trump reignited interest in meme coins with a Truth Social post about the official Trump meme coin. Trump, Shiba Inu price analysis. On the daily chart, Shiba Inu recently broke out of a falling wedge pattern that had been forming over the past 4 months. A classic bullish setup. This kind of breakout often signals a potential trend reversal, suggesting that Shiba Inu might be gearing up for a stronger move to the upside. Over the short term, Shiba Inu could be eyeing a 20% move after breaking through a key resistance and completing a textbook inverse head and shoulders pattern. As highlighted by pseudonymous trader Satori, this breakout confirms a bottoming structure, opening the door for further upside momentum if bullish volume holds up. Shiba Inu price has moved above the 25 and 50-day moving averages, which represent the first major signs of a reversal since February's downtrend. The money flow index is also rising, but still hasn't hit the overbought zone. The MFI tracks buying and selling pressure, and with it heading up, it looks like buying pressure is overpowering the bears, which could help push Shiba Inu even higher as long as the uptrend stays intact. Derivatives data also supports the bullish momentum. Open interest has climbed over 26% to $160 million, indicating a rise in capital flowing into Shiba Inu futures markets. At the same time, its OI-weighted funding rate has turned positive. Given these positive signs, Shiba Inu's next potential target appears to be 2,485 units, which is around 65.7% above the current price level of 1,500 units, and also marks its yearly high to date. If you are still watching, it would be massively appreciated if you could go ahead and smash the like button. It costs nothing and really helps support the channel. But keep watching to find out the latest Shiba Inu updates and what the future could hold for the Shiba Inu coin. Now it's time for the main story of today's video. Shiba Inu team agrees Shiba Inu could surge 12 times to 18,333 units. Shiba Inu recently gained bullish traction following successive days of price appreciation. The second largest meme coin by market cap is up an impressive 14% this week, outpacing most high-caliber assets. Amid the northward momentum, a Shiba Inu ecosystem team member believes far higher prices await Shiba Inu. Lucy, the ecosystem's lead marketer, has agreed that a potential 12 times surge to uncharted territory could be awaiting the doggy-themed meme coin, Shiba Inu I's 12 times surge. In a recent statement, Lucy aligned with an analysis that predicted a multifold Shiba Inu surge to 18,300 units. She highlighted its possibility, stating that she could not agree more with the bullish commentary. Notably, the analysis came from Crypto Elites, a prominent market watcher. The Tuesday disclosure spotlighted Shiba Inu's bounce from a crucial support, driving its classical cup and handle price structure back on track. For context, Shiba Inu's price action since its October 2021 peak at 8,854 units has been forming a cup and handle pattern. The cup section entirely took shape with Shiba Inu's March 2024 top at 4,567 units, with the handle on course for completion. Following a rebound from the handle's lower support line at 1,082 units earlier in March, Crypto Elites has speculated a sustained upward trajectory to its target above the 1.272 Fibonacci extension at 1,827 units. Moreover, the analyst highlighted key levels to watch during the rally. One is at the cup and handle pattern's neckline at the 0.618 Fibonacci level at 3,117 units. A sustained push past the resistance would spur a run to the 1.00 Fibonacci level at 8,757 units, near Shiba Inu's all-time high. If Shiba Inu holds the level, the analysis predicts a surge to the ultimate target of 18,300 units. From the current market price of 1,481 units, the asset would surge 1,137% to attain the unprecedented price high. Other analyses supporting surge to 10,000 units. Notably, Crypto Elite is not alone in his predictions of a surge to 18,300 units. Other analysts have asserted that Shiba Inu will surge to levels around and even above the price mark. For instance, prominent market watcher Javon Marks believes that strong demand and a sustained trend above its breakout point would ensure a rally to 15,530 units. Market watcher Oscar Ramos asserted a realistic target of 17,000 units, stating it would happen as early as this year. However, analyst Charting Guy upped the bullishness, predicting the meme coin will hit 20,000 units. Citing the third wave of an Elliott wave structure, Shiba Inu team has higher price ambitions. Meanwhile, the Shiba Inu team has predicted far higher price ambitions than the 12 times surge. Earlier, the ecosystem leaders insisted that the meme coin has the prospect of hitting lofty prices, including a 67,421% rally to 1 cent. Lucy recently stressed the possibility, arguing that the meme coin would one day hit 1 cent. However, she suggested that attaining this price mark may take a while and urged the Shiba Inu community to be patient.
When trillion Shiba Inu are on the move, we know that something huge is coming. The amount is so huge, and I still cannot believe why they do this behind the scenes. Apparently, they don't want people to know. But this transfer is arguably one of the most important during the last 300 days. But what is actually happening? And should we panic? Well, let me explain. Disclaimer. As the excitement mounts within the Shiba Inu community, the moment that many have been eagerly awaiting has finally arrived. The much-anticipated launch of the shibaswap decentralized exchange on Shibarium is now a reality. This marks a significant milestone in the evolution of the Shiba Inu ecosystem. For those immersed in the world of cryptocurrency, the debut of shibaswap brings a host of new features to the table, promising enhanced Shiba Inu burns and opening up fresh avenues for engagement within the community. The team behind Shiba Inu has been hard at work, and their efforts have culminated in the birth of this decentralized exchange designed to empower Shiba Inus. The excitement surrounding shibaswap's launch is palpable, reflecting the collective anticipation that has been building within the community for quite some time. Devotees of Shiba Inu have been eagerly awaiting this moment, recognizing its potential to usher in a new era of prosperity and innovation for the project. In fact, the significance of this migration extends far beyond the realm of technological advancements. It carries with it the potential to catalyze a Shiba Inu bull run. Let's not forget the developers have hinted at the pivotal role that this migration could play in shaping the trajectory of Shiba Inu's value, fueling optimism and enthusiasm among investors and enthusiasts alike. And here's something you should understand. This pivotal transition signifies a major milestone for ShibaSwap, elevating it to the status of a multi-chain decentralized exchange that now operates concurrently on both Shibarium and Ethereum. The announcement comes hot on the heels of the Shiba Inu team's initial transition to the Shibarium platform, fueling anticipation and speculation within the community. Now, with ShibaSwap's arrival on Shibarium, a new era dawns for the Shiba Inu army, heralding a paradigm shift in the platform's capabilities and functionalities. This development represents more than just a technical transition. It symbolizes the project's relentless pursuit of advancement and its unwavering dedication to meeting the evolving needs of its users. By expanding its presence to Shibarium, ShibaSwap is now a new and important platform for Shibarium users. Shibarium is the first platform to be integrated into Shibarium's digital platform. It's the first platform, only solidifies its position as a key player in the decentralized exchange landscape, but also unlocks a realm of unprecedented possibilities for the Shiba Inu ecosystem as a whole. With ShibaSwap now operating seamlessly across multiple chains, users can expect enhanced flexibility, efficiency, and interoperability, paving the way for a more seamless and immersive trading experience. ShibaSwap has indeed leveled up since moving to Shibarium. And now, it's easier than ever for users to make token swaps between Ethereum and Shibarium with the introduction of new liquidity pools. This means you can quickly exchange your favorite tokens while enjoying the unique benefits of both networks. But wait, there's more. ShibaSwap now lets you bring your favorite tokens into the mix by setting up your own liquidity pool. This gives you more control and flexibility over your trading experience. What makes ShibaSwap really stand out is its clever use of both Shibarium and Shibarium. Shibarium's speed and cost effectiveness, and Ethereum's rock-solid security. By combining the strengths of these two blockchains, ShibaSwap opens up new possibilities for trading strategies and managing liquidity. They highlight how increased trading volumes mean more fees for those staking and providing liquidity. Moreover, the team has laid out a compelling strategy. As transaction activity on the Shibarium blockchain heats up, the protocol will automatically reduce base gas fees. This move isn't just about making transactions. It's about supercharging the burn rate of the Shiba Inu token. This accelerated burn could have a significant impact on Shiba Inu's scarcity and value, potentially reshaping its dynamics in the market. And this is where things get interesting. The transition of ShibaSwap to Shibarium isn't just a change in platforms. It's a full-fledged evolution. According to the Shiba Inu team, this move represents a significant step forward for the platform. One of the most noticeable improvements is the revamp. ShibaSwap has been designed to enhance the overall user experience. Whether you're swapping tokens, providing liquidity, or staking, navigating ShibaSwap has never been easier or more intuitive. But that's not all. ShibaSwap now boasts a brand new dashboard that showcases trending tokens, giving users valuable insights into market sentiment and emerging opportunities. Combined with the revamped user interface, these updates are poised to elevate the trading and yield farming experience for both newcomers and seasoned traders alike. With these enhancements in place, ShibaSwap is not only staying ahead of the curve, it's setting a new standard for decentralized finance platforms. So whether you're a first-time user or a seasoned DeFi enthusiast, Get ready to experience ShibaSwap like never before. And while the excitement around ShibaSwap's recent developments continues to build, the Shiba Inu team isn't resting on their laurels just yet. In their weekly magazine, they've tantalized ShibaSwap, and they've tantalizingly teased that the much-awaited ShibaSwap V2 and V3 are still in the works. According to their insights, these upcoming releases promise to bring even more advancements and enhancements for the Shiba army to enjoy. With each iteration, ShibaSwap is poised to further solidify its position as a leader in the decentralized finance space, offering users new tools, features, and opportunities to engage with the ecosystem. So while we bask in the glow of ShibaSwap's latest achievements, it's clear that the journey is far from over. With ShibaSwap V2 and V3 on the horizon, the future looks brighter than ever for the Shiba army and the broader Shiba Inu ecosystem.